Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Rupay credit card is active, the mobile number is linked, and Google Pay is updated. Open Google Pay, tap your profile, then Payment Methods, choose Add Bank Account. You select your bank that supports Rupay credit card to UPI linkage. Once done, Google Pay will query the issuer. You must allow SMS permission. The app reads OTPs to verify and fetch card details. Make sure your card, PIN, and KYC are in order before proceeding. You will now verify and link the card. Pick the Rupay credit card listed under your bank account options. Google Pay initiates an OTP flow to confirm ownership. Enter the OTP promptly. Some issuers require confirming the 4-digit card PIN or a one-time authorization charge. Follow on-screen prompts. The app then creates a virtual UPI debit token tied to the card for payments. Once verified, Google Pay shows the new payment method. Make a small UPI payment to confirm the flow works. Finish by optionally setting the Rupay credit card as your default UPI payment method inside Google Pay. You should perform a small test payment to a trusted contact or merchant to ensure the virtual UPI token and authorizations work. If the transaction completes, check your bank statement for confirmation. If linking fails, common causes are issuer restrictions on credit card UPI, SMS permission denial, or unsupported card BINs. Contact the card issuer and enable SMS and network access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.